manipulating distance. Okay, and this definitely is, you know, a step above the kind of stuff we're just working on. For that, obviously, you want to go to where the safe space is going to be by the time you get there, which is, I say, it's the tactical space is a 4-dimensional thing, not 3-dimensional, because it operates in the 4th dimension time, because it's always changing or evolving. Okay. So for this, let's see here. Carl, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, rather than just go right in when that attack's coming in, I'm going to start by having some distance, like, no, hey, I don't want to do this, man. And so he's trying to close in and close the distance to where he can get me, and that's where I'm going to come in and do my thing. So watch that again. So I'm moving back, moving over, and so until he's close enough. And what's happening is right at the point where I know he's close enough. Of course, he knows he's close enough too, right? But that's the point where I'll move, and suddenly I'm changing the distance dynamics that he was expecting to be set up for. Okay, one more time from over here. And that's what actually lets me go from this to this. All right. And then you can go back to this other stuff we were just doing. But just play with that for a couple minutes, okay?